So in this video, we want to talk about JetBlue. They lifted their fourth quarter revenue estimates, and the stock is higher. Now, before we continue with the technical analysis, let's get into the news. This article is coming from investing.com. So again, JetBlue raised its revenue expectations for the fourth quarter. Shares were higher pre-market and also ended the day higher than the previous close. Now, capacity measured in available seat miles is expected to decrease by 2% compared to the early projections of 3%. However, JetBlue maintains its capital expenditure outlook at approximately $450 million, close to the consensus estimates of $455 million. Company had to say the following. Through reliability investments, the company saw a year-over-year on-time performance improve 12 points in October and 7 points in November, resulting in a range of benefit to date from greater customer satisfaction to lower operational costs. Now, bookings for November and December travel have exceeded expectations, particularly following the U.S. election. As a result, JetBlue now estimates that election-related revenue impact at just 0.5 percentage points, down from the prior forecast of 1 percentage point. Now, JetBlue attributes its strong revenue outlook for its 2024 revenue initiatives, which are projected to deliver over $300 million in cumulative benefits during the fourth quarter. Key drivers include enhanced preferred seating options, adjustments to the Blue Basic carry-on baggage policy, and other strategic initiatives. All right, so let's get into the news. This is the charts, rather. This is the monthly chart. And I will point out that we do have a monthly sell level. We'll say at $11. And to look at current price and go down to the left, we see price found support at $4. You got multiple touches. And then you have the most recent touch, which occurred in October of 2023. And then you got the sideways price action for the better half of a year and some change. All right. Scroll down to the weekly chart. You can see that sideways price action a bit more, just a bit granular. My eyes gravitate to this level here, drop, base and candles in the drop. But I'm not in love with the location. Nevertheless, it did work. And when I look at current price and I go down and to the left, don't really see any levels of interest, with the exception of this support resistance band at $4.50. So what do? You play the extremes, right? When price moves higher into this $8 region, you have an imbalance between sellers and buyers, and so you short it. If price was to pull down sub 5, you have an imbalance between buyers and sellers, and you would buy. All right, let's go down to the daily chart. And as you can see, price is winding up. So breakout is inevitable. Question is, nobody knows in what direction. And the moving averages are not giving us any clues either. So what do? You wait on your hands. Don't risk your hard-earned capital on trades that are not S setups. So although JetBlue announced good news, stock is still range bound, and just sit on your hands. Look for another trade. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.